We see color every day, but how often do we really notice it? Introducing Chromia, a mental well-being app that does not look or feel like one. In the US, young adults have the highest rate of any mental illness, with 36% of adults, ages 18 to 25, affected. Only about half received treatment. Many people do not want another clinical app asking them to track symptoms, complete lessons, or optimize themselves. Chromia starts somewhere softer, inspired by the color walk trend that millions have already encountered on TikTok. Chromia asks, "Had if this spontaneous act of noticing could become a more intentional ritual for attention, memory, and connection?" Each week, the app gives you one color to find in the world. You go outside, notice it, photograph it, and turn the moment into a postcard. You can save it to a private stamp collection, see the places where color found you, or mail it into a shared universe, and receive one from someone else. The experience is rooted in ideas from behavioral activation, savoring, anonymous disclosure, attention restoration, and color perception. But it never turns research into homework. No feeds, no streaks, no scores. Just a weekly constraint, a camera ritual, and a growing archive of small things you were present enough to see. Chromia is not therapy. It is a doorway back into attention. Notice life, one color at a time.